Hello friends, those who want to work with Android VPN can work with this VPN. This is OpenVPN source code. You can use OpenVPN server in this VPN. Let's install the app and see the features. The app's install is complete. Now opening. This is the home page. Now select the server and connect. Dear friends, when the VPN is connected, there will be an interstitial ad show, and when you disconnect it, there will be an interstitial ad show. Friends, here you can see the worldwide server. If you want, you can take this server from me. You can also earn through in-app purchase on the VPN. Dear friends, add no banner ads, interstitial ads, native ads and open ads are using in this VPN, through which you can earn good amount. Friends, from string.xml, you can change app's name and contact mail privacy policy link change from here. You can do it from many pages to change the package name just like I do. Dear friends, if you want to take the source code with admin panel, they contact us on the WhatsApp number given in the screen. Here you have to put the link of your admin panel. Thanks for watching.